Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to stretch out videos in CapCut PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, to stretch a video, photo, or another piece of media in CapCut, the process is quite simple. Begin by selecting the media you want to stretch in your timeline. Once selected, head to the top right of the screen where you'll find various options for editing. Ensure that video is selected and then navigate to the section labeled Position and Size. You might need to click on this section to expand it fully. Within these options, locate the Uniform Scale setting. To enable stretching, you'll need to turn off Uniform Scale by toggling the switch. This action will reveal the controls for scale width and scale height. With Uniform Scale disabled, you can independently adjust the width and height of your media. Click on the scale width or height options and drag them to stretch the media in the desired direction. As you make these adjustments, you'll notice that the video or photo stretches accordingly, allowing you to manipulate its proportions to fit your creative needs. Whether you're expanding the width, height, or both, this method provides you with precise control over the dimensions of your media, enabling you to achieve the exact look you're going for in your project. So that's basically how to stretch out videos in CapCut PC. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.